Assalamu alaikum, kids. Welcome to Guess the Sounds game. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What did you hear? Oh yes, it's a cute bird. What did you hear? A chicken. Pak pak pak. What did you hear? It's a cock. Cockle-doo-da-doo. What did you hear? It's a cuckoo. What did you hear? It's a duck. Quack, quack. What did you hear? It's an eagle. What did you hear? A raven. What did you hear? It's a penguin. What did you hear? It's a seagull. What did you hear? A swallow. What did you hear? A turkey. Now in the comments below, tell how many points you gathered. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.